morning students. We continue with our word problem. Adil has a piece of square paper. The piece has 11 rows and 9 columns of squares. How many squares does it have in all? Adil has a piece of paper. Your max copy have a square copy, na? So Adil also have a piece of square paper. Square paper means, see, this is the square paper. It has 11 rows and 9 columns. Column is this one. 1, 2, 3, 9 and 11 rows. See, 9 column, 11 rows. This is column and this is row. This is row and this is column. So 11 rows and 9 columns are there. So this Adil has a piece of square paper. These have 11 rows and 9 columns of this square. How many square does it have in all? You have to find how many squares in all. So, multiply 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9. 19 and how many? How many squares? How many squares? Squares have in all. You have to write square. 99 squares. So, question number B. A paint box has 16 tubes of paint. How many tubes will have such boxes have? A paint box, you know the paint box? Paint box, that tube paint is there. That tube paint. In that paint box has 16 tubes. How many? One paint box has 16 tubes. How many tubes will have 5 such boxes? One paint box 16 tubes है, तो 5 boxes में how many tubes are there? That you have to find. One paint box 16 tubes, तो 5 paint box, but we have. So what you will do? 16 multiplied by 5. 5 6 are 30. Carry 3. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 3 8. 8 what? 80. This is 80. 80 what? 80 tubes. Write tubes with that. Now see, a day has 24 hours. How many hours does a week have? A day has 24 hours. Then how many hours does a week have? एक दिन 24 hours है, तो एक week में कितने hours है? That you have to find. 1 week, how many days are there? 7 days are there. तो 1 day में 24 hours है, तो 7 days में कितने hours है? That you have to find. Monday 24 hours. Monday is equal to 24 hours. One week is equal to 7 days. And you have to find in 7 days how many hours are there. So 7 days is equal to 24 multiply 7. 7 4s are 28. Carry 2. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 168. But how many hours? 168 hours. Now you have understood a day has 24 hours. How many hours does a week have? एक week में कितने hours है? Then you have to find. One day 24 hours. तो एक week में one week how many days? One week 7 days. 7 days already it was there. One week 7 days. तो 7 days में how many hours are there? 24. 24 is given for one day. 24 multiplied by 7, 168 hours. Now, see you have understood. Now, we will pass to D. Priya's school was closed for 45 days for summer holidays. Priya's school closed for 45 days for summer holidays. Every day she did 6 sums. She did 6 sums. How many sums did she do during holidays? Priya's school was closed for 45 days. Priya's school closed for 45 days during summer holiday. And daily, every day, daily she used to do 6 sums. And out of 45 days, how many sums she used to do? She has done. That how many sums did she do during holidays? That you have to find. So, one day she has done 6 sums. 45 days, how many sums she has done? One day, 6 sums. 45 days, how many sums she has done? So, how you will find? 45 multiplied by 6. 45 multiplied by 6. 6 5s are 30. Carry 3. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3. 24 plus 3, 27. 270 was sums she has done. 270 sums. Now, question number E. The calendar for a month has 4 rows. Each row has 7 days. Which month calendar is it? Calendar, we have seen the calendar at home now. See the calendar. Calendar has calendar for a month. In each month, calendar has 4 or 5 rows are there. So, a calendar for a month has 4 rows and each row has 7 days. 7 days you have in a week. You have 7 days. So calendar has a 4 rows and each row has 7 days. Which month calendar it is? You have to find how many days a calendar has. Then only you will be able to know which month it is. So see how you will find how many days are there in that calendar. You have to how you will use to find 4 and 7. 7 multiplied by 4 you will get the days. And which month it is you have to write. Which month calendar is it? You have to write the month name of that month. 7 multiplied 4. How much 4 sevens are? 28 days. And in a year, which month it has 28 days? In a year, which month it has 28 days? February month, it has 28 days. Yes. February has 28 days. So, my dear students, write in your copy all the 5 questions in your copy. Practice it. Thank you, students.